Today I'm playing Animal Company.
Guys, I wanna blow up the chicken first.
Shut up! And as you can see,
Guys, come on.
you guys spammed me, didn't you?
Watch from a distance. I'm just gonna throw it at the chicken and blow it up.
Bro, I'm not there yet, wait.
Bro, you guys.
I'm not there, wait. There's still... Bro,
Come
you
to the
can't
chicken,
hear
guys.
it, but on my phone, there's literally notifications. But you can see them right here. They spam me to get on. And it's still going, and it's been going on for about 5 minutes.
Ready? Guys, ready?
Oh my...
Whoops.
you
Hold
you
on.
missed. Pogo stick.
Come here, chicken.
Oh,
You killed it!
Bye bye. Oh, dang. Let's go.
They're still going. They're still
No,
going. Wait a second. No, they're still coming on my phone, but they're done on my headset. Okay, never mind. I spoke too soon.
Alright, we can go get more stuff. We have a lot more room in ours. Plus, there's
They're
more
still
people, so we
going,
can-
bro.
Hold up, we gotta do the
What
intro.
did you
Oh,
do?
wait, yeah, I forgot. We can't. Okay, wait, hold on. We gotta get stuff before. I think we need to get stuff before we start recording because.
I've already started to record.
You've already started.
Remember about the anglerfish. Just don't get in front of its light, because I think... I'm cooked!
What?
Hey! Hey!
We're playing Animal Company, which is like Lethal Company, but Gorilla Tag. Not even Gorilla Tag. This is hideous. Anyway, we're gonna go find stuff in our goal. What's our goal, guys? Our goal is gonna be
To get $1,000. We know.
$300 or $2,000.
$2,000.
2,000. Yes, that's our goal. Wait, I
got stuff. I'm gonna drop it off and get my.
Yeah, so we get items, we go find items, and try not to die. Put them in here, and then and then it takes that stuff and gives us money for it.
Shadow, I got pogo stick.
Yeah.
Shadow, I got pogo
Go.
stick. Look at my pogo sticks.
We're at,
How do I
we
use
are
these
at
things?
I'm at $700.
Look, what do I do? I don't know what these do. Ah! What the hell?
Yo, bro.
What the hell? I'm gonna launch myself into a monster. Hold on, it's gonna be so funny.
Yeah.
What's your idea?
Hold on. Okay. No. That was
Is it here? Ooh,
that's a
chicken!
big banana.
Hi, buddy. Oh, I'm sorry! Ah! Oh, chicken! Good. You can't get me.
Alright, let's go. We gotta go somewhere else.
Wait.
Let's go somewhere else.
Oh!
And,
Ha.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go this way. Cave. Is this a cave? Yeah, it is.
Oh, my bull. Oh, I mean,
The anglerfish can see you if you have your lights on.
that's what I told you. Turn it off!
I did, idiot.
It can see you with its light! No! Wait. It's not chasing me. Shadow, it's chasing your sister! Ali, it's chasing you because you looked at it. Oh, she's cooked.
Bro, I'm here.
Oh, that was...
hey,
Oh!
idiots! I died.
Wait, was it you who looked at it?
No, if you don't shut so stupid, legally, little
stay mad. Ah! What is that thing? Toilet paper.
Because I'm making my way back because
Ow!
I died because you idiots led the anglerfish.
But you killed yourself. You went in front of the light. That's your fault.
It's turning back around. It's going back towards the cave.
Backpack. I'm gonna wear it.
Backpack.
Joker! Oh, never mind. It's not chasing. Oh my god. Is that
Where's
you,
my
Shadow?
backpack at?
Your back?
Yes.
Oh, I think I know. Is it this one? Shadow, is it this one?
No, I got it.
Like I couldn't hear you,
Why not?
and it's like light in the cave.
Pardon me?
Why is there just a back?
Oh! Oh my god! It's so light! It's so light! Is it chasing?
The big poop is over there. Come on!
Whoa, where?
Okay, let's get the stuff. Let's get the stuff. Gold! Hey,
banana.
No bad words.
I didn't
No
say
bad
any,
words, bucko.
I didn't say any bad words. Oh, damn! What did I say? If I did say any bad words, I made a continue.
I'm just
I made
gonna
a
bring
continuous-
a bunch of stuff back over here. Keep all the stuff you find right here. No, keep
I
it
made
up
a
on
something,
the top
something
left. Keep it up right here. Keep all
out
the
of
stuff
my
you find up-
judgment.
Keep all of the stuff you find up here. I don't have room
Oh.
in my backpack, so I'm just gonna go in and get stuff.
Hey! There's two!
There's
Two.
two fishes in there. There's two.
Two fish. Two fish.
Yeah, there's two. There's two piranhas in there.
What piranhas? There's no piranhas. Oh, it's that thing! Ah!
Idiot.
Uh! What's this dude screaming about? Oh! What's it do? What are you gonna do? Oh, it's a bomb! It's a bomb!
Oh, let's go.
Come on. We've got to find valuables.
Valuable. Can I throw
is
this
different
coke?
than what we've
Oh my god!
Hold up. Look. There's a bunch of stuff.
I threw a big coke can if you don't mind.
I'm just gonna take all bananas. You know what? I'm taking all bananas. And the gold.
I do not know.
Let's go.
Oh, wait.
Big back, big back.
Pogo stick!
Big back, big back. Guess what? Whoa, wait, there's still another room, idiot.
There's another. Wait, I found a golden trophy.
Trophy! There's a golden trophy, take this.
Oh,
That's
nice.
worth a lot. Room? Bananas! Yes, I take these.
Gotta get the plunger.
I don't know why I took so many bananas, but now I have like 10 bananas in my backpack.
That's a good thing. Bananas are good.
Bananas are good.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Allie, where are you at? Allie,
Do you think she left?
Allie, talk through the mic.
Ah! Jumped over!
Oh!
God.
Oh! Banana.
Hold on.
Okay,
I have too many bananas. I can't
can't take any more. Let's go! Bro, we're still camping here.
It's
Oh,
okay.
The monster's camping here. That's it though.
Just run past it. It's fine. Turn your light off! Oh, it's fine.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Let's.
Red light, green light. 1, 2, 3.
I did it.
No, was that you?
No.
Ellie! Okay, this video turned into Nub and Goal. My sister dipped. She probably had to. My parents probably made her do something. Anyways. Why am I stuck? I'm stuck! There we go. Hold on. That's a lot of stuff.
I want to get the pogo stick again. How much money? I don't have enough money. How much money will this give us? How much?
Oh!
Oh!
696.
Nice. I'm gonna look through the options. Oh, that's
Hey,
a
guess
big.
what I'm buying?
That's a big light.
Make
Rockets.
it rain.
Pogo stick. Oh! Whoa! The angle. How to get out of here? I need it. Ankle. You don't have any. Get it. Okay, grab it. We gotta fly. We gotta fly.
Allie, is that you?
Ow. Bye bye. Oh,
Allie, is this you? Shake your head.
thank goodness.
Get out.
Well, that is quite bright. Oh, you cannot be serious. You cannot be serious. You cannot be serious. You cannot be. He can climb those. Okay, I'm being chased. Just don't go looking for me. Yeah, you thought. Actually, I'm gonna. Up idea. Right. I'm gonna throw this over there. You kill me. Wait a second, it's chasing my light. It's chasing my light.
Wait, you got it stuck.
I had it on.
Oh yeah, and I had to stop my thing because I kept telling you that it was so glitchy, and I literally have it on camera. So I had to stop recording so I could actually play.
Okay.
Start.
Recording again.
Ah!
Try recording. No, I already tried it.
Bro, why is it following me?
Ah! Oh,
Run.
can I have that, please?
In a second. Hold on. We need to get these as far away as
It's
possible.
not coming.
Ah,
It's not coming.
wait.
Is the chicken
So that's a
there?
normal
Aw.
flashlight.
Can I have that?
This is my. Oh my god, man, it's so much fun.
Dude! Ow! Ow!
Someone
Bro,
get
my
it.
eyes.
It's the tree.
Okay,
Yo, what's
guys,
up, bro?
we can
Dab
get-
me up. Dab me up. Ah!
We need a grenade.
Cole, just chase. No, you.
No, get a grenade. Buy a grenade. Buy a grenade.
No, Cole, just
Alright.
run up the tree and then it'll get stuck there.
Actually, get one of those. Where's the grenade? Oh, there. Where's my rocket? Oh, it's over there. Pogo stick. Boing, boing, boing. Yes, I did, and I'm coming.
Okay, bring it over here. Don't take my.
Stuff in my backpack.
We gotta blow the thing up.
The anglerfish is right there.
Okay?
You can't miss.
It has to be right beside it. You know what?
What? Sacrifice yourself.
No,
Actually, now I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Get it chasing you and then blow up. Or I'll do it. Give me the grenade. I'll do it.
It's fine. Oh shoot!
you idiot.
I mean, it worked.
This idiot.
It's fine. I got a pogo stick. I'm
Allie,
fast.
don't take any of our stuff, please. Are you going to? I could not care less about your.
Okay, thank God.
Damn, bro, that was a bit mean.
Allie, did you get all
At least the fish is out of the way for the other
level?
Okay, Allie,
Go
get it stuck
stuff
there.
in. Me and Nub will go into the into another cave
Oh, okay.
and get more stuff. Go
Let's
catch
go.
stuff in. Ah!
No, I didn't mean to use it. God damn it.
Whoa! Bad words.
Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, gosh darn it.
All right, let's go. No, remember that secret spot by the red light?
Wait a second, my giant light, my giant light.
Bro.
I can't go without him. That's probably what he was after, but I don't care. He's back. Oh, there's my light. Yeah, there you go. Better than ever. Stop being annoyed.
Shut up, you. Never mind.
Oh, the anglerfish! Why does it love my light so much?
$8. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I'm pretty sure we're like so top of over 1,000.
I think we're good. No, I was wrong! Oh! Actually, yeah. Come this way. And now it's going up my way. God damn. Right. Rocket.
Lantern dude is in there.
And,
The what?
The lantern.
probably another rocket.
The fish?
Yes, I do. Grenade!
Ah!
Ladies
The fish still love.
Allie.
has gone to let it all the emotions out. What money do I have? Oh yeah.
The fish is attracted to my light, so I'm not getting that back ever.
I bought a grenade, I'm coming.
Wait, the fish is coming out! The fish is coming out! Do not get a light source and bring it over here, or it will chase you. I don't know, it's just attracted to those, I guess. Wait, I wonder if it reacts to. I wonder if it reacts to rockets.
Yeah.
He just disappeared on my
See, I
screen.
told you I knew that would work.
Oh my god! Oh! What was that for, buddy?
We may need another grenade.
No! There is no. Right, I gotta get my light. And I gotta get. I should probably buy like a flashlight. Maybe like a $50 one.
Guys, I took one for the team and I stepped on a mine and then waited for the thing to come towards me and then I blew it up with me. Now
Gotta get my
Right, so I'm getting my light. I'm getting my light.
sword mine right beside where
yours was.
I know, mine was. Yeah.
Wait, actually, that's my backpack, isn't it?
I
So
took one for the team and sacrificed myself for you guys.
okay, I got pogo sticks. Right.
Ooh. Oh! Jackpot!
Oh,
Oh, Ruby!
Ruby. Coca-Cola. Bro, there's another ruby.
The fish is guarded. Wait, is it?
No,
Did you
I'm
kill the
going
fish?
across across the bridge where the red light, green light thing is.
Okay.
You coming with me?
Hold on. Just gotta
Oh,
get a
no,
bunch
no.
of stuff.
I wasn't recording that entire time.
Oh, it's okay. You can use my footage.
Alright, let's go, Nub.
Sigma.
Come on.
See, I'm such a smart boy. Yeah, we did actually. You lucky.
What'd you say, Allie?
Oh, I
Blew
blew
the fish up. I blew the fish up. I took a grenade and blew it up.
When your bag is full, I'll give you mine, and then I'll wear that.
Okay. Let's go. Hold up. I gotta get a
A what?
We only need to fight about
Rocket!
600.
God, that was about to fall, so... okay,
No,
then.
give me it. Alright, you ready?
Wait, hold
Watch
on.
this!
Wait, before you go.
Watch this! Aw. What?
Let's see. What are you gonna do?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What's with this guy's British accent? Oh, yeah.
Ruby! I found a ruby and I put it in my
I
bag.
just flashbang myself.
Ow! Come on. Where do we go?
Wait, is there any more golden statues? I swear I saw one.
Oh, I found someone's backpack.
That might be my old one. But I don't...
Allie, is this your backpack?
The fish is coming into.
Oh, the fish is back! Right, I'm sacrificing my light.
He just went in there.
Okay. Right, I sacrificed my $700 light. Ah!
Well, guys, I stepped on.
I just no-clipped through the map! No, I fell through the map, so everything's gone.
You fell through the map.
Yes.
Oh god, I'm going to get my stuff.
I can't even buy a backpack. Oh.
Wait, no,
Go, go,
I wanna sacrifice myself.
Go, go.
I gotta go get my stuff.
I'll get your stuff, don't worry.
I got it.
Grenade.
Wait, guys, don't go, it's still there,
Use it wisely.
I got it. Ah!
Yeah! Let's go get coal stuff.
I just saw some trees.
Ankles. Where is this stuff? That's my light, I'm gonna turn it on. Like that. This will unfortunately attract the fish though, so...
Where's my stuff at? Oh no, you should know where.
There's 2 backpacks, I'm getting both of them.
Give me one. Give me it.
Okay, take that one. The fish will
Yes,
be
this is
coming,
mine,
I
this is
just
mine.
know, because of
Hold
that
on.
light.
I gotta see if I can get my flashlight.
Just keep that light there, just keep it there, because it will attract the fish. I got a plunger.
Here, I'm trying to chase it. Oh.
Is the fish coming?
Let me check.
No, we
Alright, we found
I lost.
the luggage.
I don't see it yet.
Let's go retrieve it.
And the video's over.
It takes a while to respawn.
It is quite slow though.
No, why don't you get in there?
Okay. What do you want to do? Like,
Oh. We only got like $430 for that.
What? Right.
Alright, well, it's okay. That is gonna be part 1, because I'm sure we're all 3 gonna play again sometime.
Yeah.
And do
You
another
mean
part.
part 2?
We already did a part 1.
Hey Cole, do you want to see my outro?
Yeah, and we already played this game before, so here's funny moments from that.
This is the outro. Bye bye. Hey Sal, come over here. Come over here. I want to tell you something. Come a bit closer.
Ha! What a plonker!
It's so stupid. What's up? What a plonker! Bye bye.
Go!
Yo.